Hello and welcome to Exploring Engineering, where I look into different sectors of engineering and tell you information that I learned from my research into them. In my last video, I talked about chemical engineering, but in this video, I will be focusing on electrical engineering. We're going to start with overview. The definition I found for electrical engineering is a type of engineering that deals with the uses of electricity. There are 288,000 jobs in electrical engineering, and that is projected to grow by 7% over the next 10 years. The median salary for electrical engineers is $119,000 per year, or $57 per hour, and the average salary is higher at $121,000 per year. Finally, no work experience is needed to get a job as an electrical engineer. Now I'm going to talk about the work. First, I will talk about the skills needed to be an electrical engineer. Those skills are computer, interpersonal, math, problem-solving, communication, and project management skills. Now I'm going to talk about what tasks they complete. They make, supervise the manufacturing of, and test the reliability and safety of electronic devices, products, and systems. They determine the requirements for a product or system, use engineering or design software to make models, diagrams, and layouts, create simple documents that explain the requirements for systems and how to maintain them. And finally, they look over systems and leave recommendations for modifications to its design or recommend equipment repair. Next, we're going to talk about the education. You need a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering or a related field to become an electrical engineer. This is also a good time to mention dual majors. A dual major allows you to earn one bachelor's degree with two separate majors. This means you fulfill the requirements for two distinct areas of study within the same college or university. A very popular example that I heard about is mechatronics, which combines mechanical and electrical. Next, we're going to talk about the future. The future of electrical engineering is in renewable energy and energy storage. There's also electric transportation like cars, buses, bikes, and trucks. The leading brands of which being Nissan, Tesla, and BMW, along with Chinese brands like BYD and Geely. Artificial intelligence will also be a big part of the future for electrical engineering, and some examples of that being ChatGPT as a chatbot, self-driving cars, and Face ID. The final thing I will talk about for the future of electrical engineering is healthcare innovation. Some examples of these innovations are robotic surgery, pacemakers, and wearable health devices. Finally, we're going to talk about the subsets. A few subsects I found of electrical engineering were power systems, electronics, control systems, and telecommunications engineering. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you did, I would encourage you to subscribe and look out for my next video about civil engineering. And if you haven't already, watch my videos about mechanical and chemical engineering.